Hey loves, I hope everything's doing well. We are almost at the weekend, only have one more day left. To be honest, I'm so excited, I just feel really drained. But anyway, on a better note, today I do have this fun mix and match floral and striped stamping look to share with you. Unfortunately, I didn't share how I came up with the striped look, but at least you guys will get to see some cute flowers being stamped onto my nails. So if you'd like to see how this turned out, keep on watching. I decided that I would go ahead and keep things simple for the base color of my nail art and went in and used 2 thin coats of Sinful colors Snow Me White. To help speed up the drying process and make sure that my base is ready to go before I do my stamping, I'll be applying 1 thin coat of Girly Cosmetics Water Rush Top Coat. Now that's all dry, I'll be going in and applying my favorite latex barrier around my cuticles to help make cleanup easier, called Border Patrol by Girly Cosmetics. For my stamping, I'll be using this very cute stamping plate. It has 9 medium-sized images, and I'll be using the floral one in the middle from the 3rd row. The stamping polish that I'll be using is Mundo de Unas Navy Blue, which is so pretty, and I'll also be using my all-time favorite stamper, Clear Jelly Big Bling. And now that everything's cleaned up, I'll be applying 1 final top coat of Girly Cosmetics Water Rush. And here we have our final look. I really love how simple and yet how quick this turned out to be. This one is one of the shorter tutorials, but I still really enjoyed doing it. If you guys did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And as always, thank you for stopping by and staying tuned into my channel. And all the products I use will be listed down below, and if you have any questions and or comments, please feel free to leave them and I'll get back to you. As always guys, stay glamorous.